Welcome to this video. We will guide you step by step in setting up the self-organizing network solution designed for community projects. The solution allows basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring without internet access. Once connected to the internet, devices can be integrated into the SmartPlus cloud using the installer kit or the AK Partner app, enabling residents to create SmartPlus app accounts. This video shows how to set up devices without internet and how to upload them to the cloud with the AK Partner app once internet access is available. This demonstration features the door phones S532, R28, E12, and the indoor monitor S562. The S532 is installed at the community entrance, the R28 is at the building entrance, and the E12 and S562 are located in the residence apartment. Please ensure that all devices are compatible and connected to the same local network. Check the video introduction for details on compatible models and versions. The first half of the video covers on-premise configuration for basic functions without internet, while the second half focuses on cloud configuration using the AK Partner app. Let's get started with the connections. Wiring varies by device model. For devices that support power over Ethernet, PoE, connect them using PoE. For two-wire devices, use the NS2 and NC2 for connection. Please refer to the wiring diagram. A video link of wiring for two-wire devices is included in the video description. This video takes the regular devices as demonstration. Once you have all devices connected and powered on, we can begin configuration. Start with the S532 door phone at the community entrance. To check the device IP, press the asterisk 2396 and the hash symbol. Without a DHCP server, devices are assigned IP starting with 169.254. If you want to use the door phone at the building entrance, you can change its location by selecting System Setting, Location Setting. If not, simply skip this step. The building number defaults to 0. Change it based on the device's location. The range is 0 to 9 without DHCP and 0 to 99 with DHCP. Save the setting by pressing the hash symbol or the dial key. Next, let's configure the R28 door phone at the building entrance. If there's only one building, the building number will default to 1, and you won't need to change it. If there are multiple buildings, change the number on the device as needed. Wake up the screen. Press the asterisk 2396 and the hash symbol. Select System Setting, Location Setting. Change the building number based on the device location. The value range is 0 to 9 without DHCP, 0 to 99 with DHCP. Press the upward key to delete the entered value. Save the setting by pressing the hash symbol or the dial key. Then, let's move on to configure the E12 door phone and the S562 indoor monitor in the apartment. Select the device language and time zone on the device's initial setup screen. Tap Next. For two-wire indoor monitors, there will be the device working mode option. Choose slave mode since the NS2 operates in master mode. Set the device location and designate its role. If only one indoor monitor is installed in the apartment, set it as the master. In this case, it will be the main device where users scan the QR code and register the SmartPlus account. When the device is in slave mode, select the device number from 1 to 8. Tap Next to view the network information. Tap Next. The indoor monitor will scan for devices on the same LAN. At the moment, the door phone will play a ding sound, indicating that it is in pairing mode. Press the push button of the door phone within 5 minutes. Check the door phone and tap Confirm. When pairing succeeds, the door phone will display on the list. You can tap the setting icon to modify its settings. Tap Done to finish the setup. Now, let's test the features. To call the indoor monitor from the S532, enter the building number, hashtag, followed by the apartment number. From the R28, enter the apartment number. Press the call button on E12 to call. Open the door by tapping Unlock. Moving on to the second half of the tutorial, we will dive into the cloud configuration. After completing the on-premise setup, and once the indoor monitor is connected to the internet, a QR code will display. To connect the indoor monitor to Wi-Fi, tap Settings, Wi-Fi. Select the desired network and enter the correct password for connection. You can also find the QR code on the Settings, Advanced Settings, Quick Start screen. The default password to access the advanced settings is 123,456. Open the AK Partner app and log in with your installer account, using the same username and password as your SmartPlus web account. Tap Community Quick Start on the homepage. Scan the QR code on the indoor monitor. Here you can see that the device's MAC address and location information are automatically filled in. You can change the family name. Then, select the community where the device is installed before clicking Submit. You can click New to create a new one. Once the indoor monitor is added to the cloud, all paired devices in the room will be uploaded. If you wish to add more devices, tap Add another device. Otherwise, tap back to return to the homepage. Next, let's continue to upload public door phones to the cloud. For the R28 door phone, press *2396 and hashtag, then select Device QR code. Tap Community Quick Start on the AK Partner app and scan the QR code on the door phone. You can change the building number and device name. Then, select the community where the device is installed. Tap Submit. Tap the community name where you can see that the R28 door phone has been added to the public area. You can tap the device to change its settings. If the door phone has no internet, you can toggle off the Does this device have internet access switch on the device editing page. In this case, it can make calls normally to indoor monitors. And a default building and an apartment are created. You can tap the apartment to view its information and select devices to check the device just added. If devices appear offline, you may need to reboot them to make them online. Once the indoor monitor is connected to the cloud, the SmartPlus QR code will display. Residents can scan it to register their SmartPlus accounts. If the QR code does not display, residents can also find it by tapping Settings, SmartPlus account. Open the SmartPlus app and tap the scan icon on the login page. Scan the code. Fill in the information and tap Submit. It will display registering succeeded. The user's email will receive a welcome email from Ecovox. Scan the QR code in the email to log in successfully. Call the resident from the door phone. The SmartPlus app receives the call. Answer the call and tap Open Door to unlock successfully. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up Ecovox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.